In this video, I'll show you how you can remove your page title on WordPress. So this is going to work for pages or posts. So here is the example, right, of a page title, which we can remove very easily. So you need access to your WordPress dashboard. So go ahead and hover over your WordPress title, then go to dashboard. And here what we're going to do is we're going to use a plugin. So click on plugins and then go to add new plugin. And then you can search for title remover. Now, once we've made that search, there are going to be many WordPress plugins that we can use. Now, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and we're going to use this one here called Title Remover. And if it is not active already, you've probably not installed it yet, right? So you need to go ahead and click Install Now and then Activate. Now, once you've got that plugin installed and activated, you can then go to your pages or your post that you want to remove the title from. I'll just go to Posts, All Posts. And then you can go ahead and click on the post or page. I'll use this one. Then click on the three dots here and you need to now find the button to hide the title. So to do that, click on the settings button up here. And then if you scroll down, we should be able to find it here, hide title. Hide this title for this item. You can click on that and then update. And then if you go ahead and view your post, you'll see the title has now gone. So that's how you can hide the title on WordPress.